Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another F1 update. Today let's talk about the 2025 Japanese Grand Prix. Max Verstappen scored a superb first win of the 2025 Formula 1 season with a fourth consecutive victory at the Japanese Grand Prix. The Dutchman went unchallenged at Suzuka as he successfully defended from the McLaren lead driver Lando Norris into turn 1 at the race start, keeping the McLaren at bay for 53 laps, despite coming close together at the pit exit following their first stops, which was a really dramatic incident. The stewards, they did have a look at it, and it was ruled out that Verstappen would have an upper hand in this decision. While Norris was unable to close on Verstappen's Red Bull, Oscar Piastri, the birthday boy this weekend, attempted to apply pressure on his McLaren teammate in the closing stages and briefly advised the team to swap their positions so that he could attempt to challenge Verstappen at front. In a race of few flashpoints and few special moments, the top six finished as they began with Charles Leclerc, George Russell and Kimi Antonelli following the leaders home. For Kimi Antonelli, it would have been a very special race and something which he is going to remember for his entire life. He is now the newest, youngest F1 driver to ever lead a Grand Prix, something which his parents, his family would be very proud of. So would be Toto Wolff and the Mercedes team. So now let's talk about the new driver in the second Red Bull seat, Yuki Tsunoda, the home hero. I did think that he would show a good performance to us, coming in at least in the top 5, because if you see his reports from the final practices in which he performed, he was doing very well, just around half a second or around 400 milliseconds behind his teammate Verstappen. But this qualifying and the race, he had a tough time to deal with. I do think that he had a lot of pressure on him because first it's his debut race for a big team and it's his home race, so double pressure on his shoulders. I think he should be performing well in the next race because after him, I don't know what other options Red Bull has, So next race is Bahrain. Bahrain is a really nice track. First night race, going to be an epic race as well. As we've seen in the past, we've seen some good challenges, some good moments, some dramatic moments, some controversial moments throughout the race. And my prediction is that McLaren are going to be strong now. They're going to come back even stronger because Lando Norris is now in the lead of the Drivers' Championship just by 1 point. So Verstappen is closing in on him really, really fast. But I do think that McLaren will have an upper hand in the early stages of the season because their car, the R&D, is absolutely superb. And whereas the other teams such as Red Bull and Ferrari, they need to work a lot and really see what they are dealing with, the situation they're dealing with, and how to perfect it and give a good fight to the McLaren drivers. So that is all for today. This is all I have for this race. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.